Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what did we talk about yesterday? We talked about how we had bounced off of 36 and couldn't get through 40. We marched higher yesterday. We made a new high. We made it through the 40. And then, one of those things happens that you really can't plan on. We got some news up near the highs, some comments out of the IMF, and that really kind of shocked the market out of its rhythm of this, steadily higher every day. Whether the comments were sell-off worthy or not doesn't really matter. It gave people an excuse to sell, and it reminded everybody up there just how precarious a position they were in, with things going up, 11, 12 days in a row. So you had bad news, and the reaction to that news was bad. That was compounded last night with the data out of China, the 48.3 PMI number, which is indicative of contraction, but it's not really the number. We've had lousy numbers out of China in the middle of the night during the course of the uptrend, and if the market is in a position where it hasn't extended too far, it doesn't really care. It just keeps going. I mean, we sell off for 10, 15 minutes, and then it's right back to business as usual. But this news, the reaction to this news was bad as well, and we had a whole other level of sell-off. And after testing 26 overnight, we're back. We're not on the lows, but we're near the lows. We're trading 1820. So bad news is getting a bad reaction, and I think that is indicative of a market that really has wanted to take some profits, that wants to retrace, because whether you're a bull or a bear, you need to retrace here. If you want to see those higher levels that everybody talks about, if you want to see the 1900s, if you want to see the 1950s, you're not going to get there going straight up to 1846 from 1732. What you're going to get are matching highs, which is basically what we got. I mean, we did 44s, and the old high is 46.5. It's still the high. And unless things stay perfect up there, you're going to get a pullback. So any little news, any little bump in the road is going to say, okay, check please, I'm out. And that's what we saw yesterday. So where do we head from here? My target area on the pullback continues to be 1797 to 1801. That's that convergence of fib levels. I think you're going to see the green line here. You're going to see the 20-day simple moving average or the middle band. You're going to see that begin to rise fairly rapidly to meet price as it sheds some of these lower days. It's going to be flat for a few more days, but then when it rises, it's really going to rise sharply. And that'll be decision time when we reach the middle band. Does this market want to continue trading above the middle band? If it does, then the move to the middle band will be a buy, and we'll head back up, take out 46, and you can move to those areas beyond, because what you've done is you've pulled back, you've let people take some profits, let them reload, you get a little fuel, then you go higher. That's how markets work. Going 12 off the bottom, 12 days off the bottom, is not how to really get anywhere over a long period of time. It's how to squeeze every short on the planet, and make them have miserable day after miserable day. It absolutely accomplishes that, but it's not going to get you to new highs. So we need to go ahead and make a higher low. The concern, if you're a bull, is that you essentially just did establish a resistance zone with these highs here. You got the 45.75, 44, 44 here is where it broke down, and right here you've got 44.5. So 44 has become a serious problem for the bulls, at least for 2014. So that's going to have to be dealt with. But that day is unlikely to be today. So I'm looking for a little more downside here. I would expect that you're going to get a decent move up during the day. The question is, do the bulls have what it takes to to sell into that move and to make new lows below the current Globex low, which is still 17 quarter from last night. So I'm looking at middle band. If the bears can accomplish that, then I start to look for the 1797 to 1801. Okay. Everybody, have a fantastic day. Follow me on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. We were trading around a core short all day, and we had a very, very good day in the room. We've had a very, very good night, and hopefully we'll have another good day today. But come check us out. Come see what we're all about and see if we're right for you. I think you'll like what you see. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.